The name Johnson, in Chinese, it is called 周全. 周 means the construction, the best construction. 全 means inch. Every inch of work means every stitch of work.
And my dad later told me why he picked the motor is because he believed the little motor will be something which is going to be there forever in a way, that affect people's lives, that you will use it in many, many appliances.
I think it was a genius decision. I'm thankful for it every day. Motion systems, electric motors, is affording us way more opportunities, like I just said, than potentially being, a garment, for example.
It was difficult years in the beginning. We are the first one in Hong Kong to make the motors. Before that, the toy factories in Hong Kong are all importing expensive motors from overseas.
I don't think my dad understood how it worked. Being contrarian, if you don't have a local customer, find one overseas. If you don't have technology local, go to the place with the technology. So in a way, this is what happened to Johnson Electric.
My mother was helping him to recruit the factory managers. She's like her HR person to help her to recruit the top guys and also the financing.
In Johnson, we call it the can-do attitude. It's basically you look at things and you don't emphasize all the difficulties, okay? You tend to really try to look at the practical side. How do you actually overcome the difficulty to get to a solution?
One milestone is when my father sold 49% of Johnson to an American company, Rowe Industries, so he could have his technology to help him to upgrade the motor from toy motors to industrial grade motors.
1982, we went to China in the first factory, and that was another very big move. Then in 1984, we took the company public. My dad basically said to me, we should think about becoming a public company because it's either you limit the growth, it's how much money you can make, or you take public money and you can grow faster. Our first M&A was 1999. United Technology Automotive owned Gate Industries, which made cooling fan modules. Today, that business, we're looking at 700 some million US. When we acquired them, the business was 180 million. So it's a Johnson story is very global. Go from one kernel, from little Hong Kong, step by step to Singapore, step by step to Thailand, step by step to businesses outside of this sphere, and then M&A, now we're in manufacturing in 18 countries. Well, the next milestone is very, very fundamental. It's actually going to make even more change to Johnson than anything I've seen. Is digitization.
Looking forward, there's a revolution in terms of digital capability, and that is a big obligation for leaders to figure out how to leverage this tool. I see it as our mission at Johnson Electric to really make it a priority to create learning opportunities for people.
This is in our genes. I really fervently believe people can learn. JE, I want people to feel happy working here and grow, because I think the most sustainable thing are happy people.